In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier. By the end of this session, you'll feel comfortable setting up your own automated workflows, commonly known as Zaps, in just a few minutes. Let's begin by getting right into the initial steps of accessing Zapier. First things first, you need to navigate to the Zapier website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Zapier in the search bar, or simply enter zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an opportunity to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you already do, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to initiate the process of creating a new Zap. On the upper left side of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it and then select the Zaps option. This will lead you to the area where you can start designing your automation. When the creation page loads, you'll have two options. You can either create your Zap manually, or you can opt to receive assistance from AI. If you're new to this, using AI to help create your Zap might simplify the process. However, if you prefer a hands-on approach and wish to have full control over every detail, you might want to pursue the manual route. For this guide, I'll explain how you can set it up manually. Begin by focusing on the trigger and action sections. Each Zap you create will begin with a trigger, which is an event that sets your automation in motion. Click under the word Trigger, and a menu will pop up. Here, you'll see a list of applications from which you can choose the one that will initiate your Zap. Select your desired app and configure the specific trigger you want. Similarly, in the Action section, you can define what happens after your trigger. This could be sending an email, posting a message, or updating a document. Click under Action, and again, you'll be presented with options. From this list, choose an application and the specific action you want to take place once your initial trigger has been activated. The ability to add more applications and set multiple actions and triggers is a powerful aspect of Zapier, allowing you to refine and adapt your workflows to meet your particular needs or objectives. Don't hesitate to explore the multitude of applications and actions available to tailor your Zap precisely as you envision. Lastly, it is crucial to test your Zap before making it live. Make sure when you run a test, the automation works as expected. Once you're satisfied with the functionality and test results, you can proceed to publish your Zap. This final step ensures that your automation is active and running smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you are now equipped to connect and create automations in Zapier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive back in and experiment with different applications and scenarios. Thanks for tuning in, and happy zapping.